Okay, so here it goes. We'll try to demonstrate this thing. You're gonna have to use your imagination. This is, pretend that this is the backboard that we have there. This is the round tube. Okay, so the rim would actually be on the front side of this here. So this is the back side. You've got the ratchet here and the strap here. They have to be apart. This might be one of the problems that you might have had. But anyways, you take the strap and you pull it through. Remember, because that clamp won't fit through under here. So you have to put the strap through first, just by itself. Pull it through as far as you can, or most of it anyways. Make sure there aren't any knots in here. No knots. And then you have to take this piece, this end part, and put it through this little slit here. So that goes in through here, and then you actually have to pull this. This might be another problem that you had. You might have started here. You got to pull this sucker all the way through, because we're not really tightening it up. Okay, so you pull that thing all the way through as much as you can. Probably only leave about a foot on there. Make sure it's not twisted. Okay, so you untwist it. It goes through there flat. And then you just hook. You actually have to turn this now. You have to turn this and make sure it's flat, but it can be twisted back here. It just can't be twisted when it's going into the ratchet here. Okay, so then you take this, wrap it around the pole. Pretend there's a pole here. I'll put my foot here. My foot is the pole, and you wrap it around, and remember to hook it onto this thing. Remember, hook it on here, and that's when you twist it. You're going to twist it, and then you just start tightening it. Just go, tighten it and tighten it until it gets tight, and then you're done. So that should be it.